my teaching is not short-term growth. My teaching is a long-term growth. The rhythm phrase is about muscle memory, and try to breathe in and out, because the breathing is helping for remembering. Always when you practice, don't forget for the breathe. When I had a mistake, I do one breath and then forget my mistake. Very important things of the handpan is enjoy. It's easy to say, but it's true. Always truth is so simple. So you don't need to play super amazing and better way. And breathe. When you practice new things, we are talking so much in your brain. So, me too. Really understanding, because now I can play a lot of things, but 10 years ago, I was like really you guys, because I never play drum, I never play percussion, I don't have any crazy skill experience. I only had a beatbox, but it's just mouth. So my hand and brain wasn't connected well 10 years ago. So that's why I really understand everyone's had a struggling in some points with the emotions. As long as you're enjoying to play handpan, this is the best way to improve. When I do simple beats, my brain, my image is always hip hop music video.